We've been very steadfast over the past 6 to 12 months that our conviction is increasing markedly in energy and material stocks, and that entire theme including the commodities themselves. And one stock that fits squarely within that theme is aluminum producer Alcoa. The ticker symbol is AA. If you remember a bit of a history, that used to always be the first company report in kickoff earnings season. That has since become no longer the case. It also kind of speaks to how under-owned, under-loved that entire sector is. Let me give you a little bit of perspective for what's going on here. First of all, let me just, before we even get to the short-term stuff, let me just remind people that in the sort of from a trending perspective, our Market Rover trend following software reminds us that yes, the stock may be off the lows, but it, from an investment perspective, is by no means in a bullish trend. In fact, it's squarely within a red background color that remains a bearish trend. So there's no reason to be looking at this from a trend following perspective. It's just a trade for right now. Which reminds me, I made a video on this the other day. I don't know how many of you guys saw this. I'll quickly hold this up. This is sort of how I look at the trend changes. Typically, a trend starts with a new trend starts with sort of a sell-off, then extreme readings on the downside, then momentum, which is what we're looking at here now in Alcoa, and then ultimately maybe a trend that lasts. But right now we're talking about the momentum part. Okay, so keeping this in mind, what we are seeing though for this particular stock is, again, some momentum. So we're using our TSD Trender Momentum Indicator for that. Remember, momentum and trend are two different things. And you can see, if you look at this closely, we received a momentum buy signal back on the 13th of May. That is right there. Okay, that's a bit of a weak arrow. Let me show you a better one here. Okay, so there. So if you look at that big ass arrow points at that little green arrow, that's the up, the buy signal, and we're finally now getting a breakout. And we've now also in the meantime kind of reached the breakout point. So it looks very, very good. And you know, from that perspective, we could see the stock creep into the low 30s. You know, 31, 32, 33. You never know. It's a commodity stock, so it's always a bit up to the algos of how they want to play this, but it's I think a very clean setup. If you want to look at without our indicator on it, and you look at Alcoa, you would look at it like this. You could just one could just draw the lines very simply, and see that there is sort of this coiling up here of the stock, well within the uptrend here as well, which basically looks like this. And yeah, so we could see this move into the 32, 33 area before it bumps into some resistance up there. Give you some idea on the long term though, and this is not yet relevant, but the stock is trading quite cheaply on a multiple valuation basis. The green part here being the stock, so from a PE perspective versus its 10-year history, you know, versus other material stocks within the United States, you can see it's not exactly trading at an incredibly rich point. So I think that's important to keep in mind as well. Hope it helps, and we'll see you in the next video.
If this video helped you, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, you give us a thumbs up, like. And if you want to see this approach in action, you will want to join us in our Set the Market morning call, which happens at 9 o'clock Eastern Time, Monday through Thursday. Make sure you join us for that in the link down below. Again, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.